Hi, I'm Karman.
And I'm Jennifer, and welcome to Village Chic.
Village Cup is so much more than just a coffee shop. It is with our community, for our community.
We love that we can reach out to the community through classes, through places they could meet. So if you see a cute barn quilt that's made out of wood and painted and distressed, you can actually come and learn to do that, or learn to paint on canvas, learn to make stained glass art, jewelry classes, mommy and me classes, so much. A lot of people ask us how we got started in business. It was actually, we started in a garage about 5 years ago. We soon moved into the inside, and then we outgrew that space. That's what brought us here to Village Chic. What I love about our location is we're right in the center of the historic district of South Charleston, Ohio. These buildings have been revived, remodeled, have new life to them, and it's bringing a lot of people into the core area of South Charleston. One of my favorite things is something that we started out with in our original location, and that is painted furniture. We take pieces of furniture, paint them, restyle them, recreate them, and we still do that here today in this location.
And we have added candle lines. I love the fragrances that we have in our candle lines, and I love how it makes people feel when they enter their home. It feels clean, or it feels seasonal, whatever is working for them at the time.
We have jewelry makers. In fact, we have 3 jewelry makers, and they make all kinds of original pieces, some with a bohemian flair, some with a really interesting one-of-a-kind pieces. Some are custom. I love that part too. We do have a line of clothing. There are different things all the time. They're always being refreshed.
It works really well to have boutique items in the same space as the coffee shop, because people come, grab their coffee, shop around a little bit, and buy gifts for their family. There's little gift cards.
So we have a sister store now located in Springfield, Ohio. And what that store has offered for us is the opportunity to sell some goods online. We have our items at shoprosecity.com, and now people can purchase online even from out of state and have things shipped to them.
We have lives that we do, mostly at Rose City. We have the lives, which ties into the online ordering. We really want to have an online presence where you can come to one spot and get the things that you want that you see here. Get the things that we feature, the things that we love.
We're launching a YouTube channel. We have coming up some information on canvas painting, some tutorials on furniture painting. We'd like to feature our vendors that do all kinds of handmaids. So that will be Village Chic. Look for that. And then we do live painting here. We've done a couple of lives from this space that are artists that paint. So we're glad that you're watching. We're glad that you're here. We appreciate all of you. And make sure you come in and see us.